And the hatch to the Crew Dragon Endeavour is open at 2:45 a.m. Central Time, 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Again, Dragon's hatch opened at 2:45 a.m. Central, 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time. You see the rest of the Expedition 68 crew now gathering at the hatchway in the Harmony module. Station Commander Sergei Prokopyev on the right, joined by his Roscosmos colleagues Anna Kikina and Dmitry Petelin. The other NASA and JAXA astronaut crew members will be joining just a moment or two from now, as the station hatch will shortly be opened and the Crew 6 crew will float on board. Hatch opening occurring again at 2:45 a.m. Central. On the Dragon side, as the International Space Station flew 260 miles off the southeast coast of Australia. Steve Bowen on board the International Space Station. Woody Hoberg now on board. Sultan Al-Nayati comes on board the International Space Station. And Andrei Fedyaev. So the Crew 6 crew is now on board the International Space Station. They'll take a few minutes to complete greetings between each other before they set up for the welcoming ceremony. So the International Space Station now a crew of 11 crew members for the next week. Once again, hatch opening occurring at 2:45 a.m. Central Time, 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time. The International Space Station was flying at an altitude of 260 miles off the southeast coast of Australia. The Crew 6 crew on board, veteran Steve Bowen and 3 first-time flyers, joining Nicole Mann, Josh Cassada, Koichi Wakata, and Anna Kikina, along with Sergei Prokopyev and Dmitry Petelin. And Frank Rubio, who's at the hatchway, right next to Sultan Al-Niyati, the first Emirati astronaut to embark on a long-duration spaceflight, the second Emirati astronaut to fly in space.
NASA leadership, this is Mission Control Houston. Please call station for a voice check.
Station, this is Kathy Leaders. How do you hear me?
Kathy, we have you loud and clear. It's great to hear your voice.
Well, I'm really, we created a little bit of anticipation there at the end for the Crew 6 folks, making you wait a little bit longer before you got to station. But as always, it's so great to see you all come safely through the hatch and join your crew members on station. You know, this is going to be next 6 months are just going to be packed full of very critical events. And one of the first critical events is getting your Crew 5 crewmates ready to come back down to Earth. But we're really looking forward to all the great science, hopefully a couple of EVAs and updates on some new solar arrays, and you'll have a few more crew vehicles coming up during this period of time too. So as always, we're super proud of you and looking forward to all the great things you'll be doing. And I'm proud to introduce Hamad Al-Mansouri, and hopefully he's here on the line too to be able to give you some comments.
All right, Kathy, well, thank you so much. Yeah. We couldn't agree more. While we wait for... there's Hamad. Great. We are ready for your comments, Hamad. Thank you.
Astronaut Steve, Woody, Sultan, and cosmonaut Andre, and little astronaut Sohail. Congratulations to all of you on your successful arrival to the International Space Station. Your mission to space represents a huge milestone for SpaceX, NASA, and the United Arab Emirates. Crew 6, you become part of our community back home in the United Arab Emirates. Please allow me to say a few words in Arabic. براشد، السلام عليكم. تستاهلون سلامة الوصول للمحطة الدولية. ثقتنا فيكم كبيرة. أنت اليوم ما تمثل الإمارات فقط، تمثل العرب كلهم. أنت إن شاء الله بتكون بداية انطلاقة رحلات طويلة المدى للفضاء بالنسبة للعرب. تذكر دائما كلمة سيدي صاحب سمو الشيخ محمد بن زايد أن الوطن وشعب الإمارات كله معك. وتذكر كذلك أن بهاي المهمة نحن نجسد توجيهات سيدي صاحب السمو الشيخ محمد بن راشد أن بعد هزاع المنصوري أن هناك سوف تكون طوابير تستكمل مهمة طموح زايد. نتمنى لك ولفريقك كل التوفيق. الله يحفظكم وترجعون سالمين إلى أرض الوطن. I wish you all safe and successful mission. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hamad, and thank you, Kathy. And we couldn't agree more. There is no better highlight than welcoming our friends to the International Space Station. And so congratulations with that to the SpaceX team, to the NASA team, and also to the team at the UAE. We're looking forward to the next few months that we get to spend with our friends, and it's going to be awesome. With that, I'll pass it off to the ISS commander, Sergey.
Hello, everybody. So glad to hear our friends, and this is amazing to see your smile here, and we're looking forward to work together. And Steve, Sultan, Andrei, Woody, my congratulations for joining us. And first of all, I say congratulate the who first time in space. This is an important part of your life. Andrei became cosmonauts, Woody and Sultan astronauts, real astronauts now. And I wish you good wellness here, and happy flight, and amazing impressions here. Looking forward to work together, and my congratulations again.
Okay, and now we pass it off to the Crew 6 commander, Steve Bowen.
It's great to be on board finally after a short delay, just outside taking a look at the station, I guess. It's a real privilege to be here again. It's been 11 years since I've been here. It still looks like the space station, maybe a little more crowded, a few more wires. I'm looking forward to same Koichi, that is true. It is the same Koichi. Looking forward to spending the next 6 months working on board and sending Crew 5 home after a lot of well-deserved rest after some hard work. And over to Woody.
Well, thank you. It's just incredible to be here as a rookie flyer. I just can't believe, you know, after years of training, it's the real place, and it looks just like, almost just like Building 9 at Johnson Space Center. So, yeah, I couldn't be happier with this amazing Crew 6 is an amazing group of people, and I'm really honored and privileged to join Expedition 68. Frank, we're looking forward to spending a bit more time with you than you had originally bargained. We're going to learn a lot from you, and I'm just so happy to be here.
Luckily, I survived the first stunt. Yeah, allow me to say a few words in Arabic. شكرا جزيلا لكل من وقف معانا. الحمد لله وصلنا محطة فضاء الدولية. شكرا لأمي وأبوي، شكرا لعائلتي، لقيادتنا الرشيدة اللي أعطتنا الثقة هذه. اللهم لك الحمد. الإمارات تخطو خطوات جبارة، إن شاء الله تتلوها خطوات أكبر إن شاء الله في المستقبل. هذا كله بفضل القيادة الرشيدة ونظرتها والتعاون الدولي اللي تتبع دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. الفضاء مجال واسع، مرحب طبعا بالتعاون الدولي. الإمارات تخطو خطوات جبارة في هذا المجال، اللهم لك الحمد. شراكتنا هذه المرة جاءت في سياق أن نقوم بمهمة طويلة الأمد فيها منفعة للبشرية ومنفعة للإنسانية، وكذلك الأبحاث العلمية اللي إن شاء الله ترجع بالمنفعة للجميع. So thank you everybody for this opportunity. I would like to thank my family, my parents, the leadership in the UAE, the Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center that gave me the trust to conduct this mission. I can't be happier than this. I mean, seeing old friends in space, gathering as a big family. This is the essence of space exploration. The UAE is taking great steps towards pushing the boundaries of exploration and cooperating with the spacefaring nation to explore more, to seek new endeavors into space. So again, I said it before, but I say it again, go Dragon, go SpaceX.
Ну что ж, всем большой-большой привет. Я очень рад быть здесь, во-первых. Ну и, соответственно, видеть и ваши тоже экипаж, и Союза, и экипаж Crew 5, улыбающиеся лица, которые рады нас здесь были встретить. Вот. Спасибо большое всем за подготовку, всем, кто так или иначе принимает участие вообще во всей этой большой работе Международной космической станции. Ну и, конечно, хочу передать привет своей семье, своей маме, своим близким. Большое спасибо за все, что вы для меня тоже сделали, за крайние дни, за поздравления. Ну и обязательно хочу сказать тоже большое спасибо всем тем, кто помогал и помогает до сих пор сейчас еще моей семье. Не бросайте их там. Всем привет. Вот. У меня все.
All right, guys, once again, welcome. And with that, Kathy, over to you.